Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 22nd October. Let's start. In the year of 1680 on this day there was an unexpected death of Rana Raj Singh of Mewar. However, in the month of June this year he bravely responded to the infiltration of the Mughals. In the year of 1875 on this day the first telegraphic connection was started in Argentina. In the year of 1879, on this day, the first sedition case against British rule was filed against Vasudev Balwant Phadke. In the year of 1883, on this day, the Opera House in New York was inaugurated. In the year of 1900, on this day, Ashfaq Khan, one of the most courageous revolutionaries of the Indian freedom struggle, was born. In the year of 1903, on this day, Tribhuvan Das Kishibai Patel, a community leader, was born. Varghese Kurian and Tribhuvan Das Patel had set up a milk production plant and thus Amul was established. Tribhuvan Das Patel was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award in 1963 and the Padam Bhushan by the Government of India in 1964 for community leadership. In the year of 1933, on this day, Sardar Patel's elder brother and famous freedom fighter Vittalbhai Patel passed away. In the year of 1954, on this day, Jivananand Das, the famous poet and writer of the Bengali language, passed away. In the year of 1962, on this day, Bhagda Nangal Dam, India's largest multi-purpose river valley project, was dedicated to the nation. In the year of 1964, on this day, French and philosopher and author Jean-Paul Sartre declined the Nobel Prize. In the year of 1975, on this day, the Venera 9 spacecraft landed on the planet Venus. In the year of 1997, on this day, Compaq threatened Microsoft that they may break the Windows 95 agreement if they show the Netscape icon. In the year of 2007, on this day, Chinese President Hu Jintao took charge of the ruling Chinese Communist Party for the second time in a row. In the year of 2008, on this day, Google Play was launched, the official app store for the Android operating system. In the year of 2008, on this day, ISRO launched India's first Chandrayaan mission, Chandrayaan 1, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. With this mission, the presence of water on the moon was detected. In the year of 2010, on this day, WikiLeaks declassifies thousands of confidential US documents related to the Iraq and Afghanistan wars. In the year of 2016, on this day, India won the Kabaddi World Cup. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Defense Research and Development Organization successfully conducted the final test fire of the third generation anti-tank guided missile Nag from the Pokhran field firing range in Rajasthan. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Ministry of Rural Development had declared the list of 30 top performing districts in the country to implement the PMGSY program. In the successful implementation of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh had secured the top position among 30 districts of the country. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy, had launched the YSR Bima scheme to provide financial assistance through insurance cover to the beneficiary in case of death or accident of his family members. In the year of 2020, on this day, INS Kavaratti, an anti-submarine warfare steel corvette, was commissioned into the Indian Navy at Visakhapatnam. The ship was commissioned by Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narvane. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Department of Space proposed to allow private Indian companies to develop and launch satellites and other systems and sell their services to foreign customers under India's Spacecom Policy 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Life in Miniature project was launched by Culture and Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel. The newly launched project is a collaboration between the Ministry of Culture and the National Museum and Google Arts and Culture. Under the project, people around the world will be able to view several hundred miniature paintings online from the National Museum on Google Arts and Culture. In 2021, today, International Stuttering Awareness Day is observed globally on 22nd October every year. The purpose of this day is to raise public awareness about the millions of people who have stuttering or stuttering disease. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.